Filmed this whole video just to realize my microphone was muted, so let's do a take two. Toncoin or Ton is currently on my boom alert. I think that this has a really good opportunity to go parabolic, at least see a really good impulse move. So let's break it down and go over some reasons why. If you don't know who I am, my name is EQ. I've helped over 1,500 people learn how to trade since 2021. Which, by the way, if you want to come trade with me and join the EPIQ Trading Floor, it is free to sign up. I'll add the link in the video, add in the description as well. You can also check out everything for free for 3 days with the All Access Pass, and there is one spot left in the one-on-one mentorship program. Now, first thing is first, from range low to range high, you can see that we've pulled down into the epic golden pocket, right in between the 6180 and 7860 Fibonacci. This is extremely bullish, especially considering that price is consolidating, and within that consolidation, it looks like it's accumulating. And the reason why you can say that is because even though price is going sideways, if you go look at volume, it is exponential and moving into a rapid rate, which would be a regular bullish divergence. These are signs to me that it can make a very quick impulse move if it does decide to break out of this consolidation range. And the fact that they just released Ton Wallet for US users in the last 24 hours, and that automatically goes out to 87 million people, that is definitely something that can correlate to a large price action movement. Buy the news, sell the hype. And this is before Toncoin even gets new users to join, the FOMO people get in, the major marketing budget starts to flow in, so all the influencers start talking about it, which, mind you, none of this is financial advice, and I'm not paid by Toncoin in any sort of way. But this is something that can easily drive a parabolic movement, and 87 million people is a lot. And if this wanted to play to the all-time high from current price, that's going to be about a 163% move. And then from range low to range high, it's still about a 2.1 risk to reward ratio. So it's still a really decent trade overall with minimal downside risk now that it's in the epic golden pocket. And if you wanted to break out and get into price discovery mode based on the Fibonacci retracement to extension theory, you can easily get up to TP2 to TP3, which is going to be anywhere from like 12 to 15 bucks. All depends on market conditions, the amount of people that are FOMOing, all that type of stuff. But this can be done in one impulse move, and that's not even just the top of the parabolic altcoin season. That's just one move, which means that this could still come back, retrace a little bit, and then get even higher from that point if it really wanted to and the market conditions allowed for that. But all in all, I'm extremely bullish. I love trading consolidation breakout ranges, especially when they're holding in the epic golden pocket. So if you did find anything useful in this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. If you want to come trade with me, go check out the EPIQ Trading Floor. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're tuning in the world, and I'll see you in the next video.